Hey everybody, it's Tour Tutor. Welcome. When KG and I had time together way back when, we liked to be closer than close. Don't get me wrong though, we each had our own thing. Our marriage was often divided by oceans and continents. He would travel by air for a variety of one-percenters. And me, in place of traditional teaching and learning, I was privileged to educate children whose parents afforded them their own blackish hybrid of Mary Poppins and Mrs. Frizzle. Beep, beep! I'm also known as Molly, aka Mrs. Molly, spelled like the country in West Africa. According to Greek mythology, Chiron, the eldest and wisest of the wild centaurs, was gifted in the natural sciences. He was tutor to Achilles, among others. Add the motorcycle, and this mane of mine, and I certainly can identify. Today, KG and I are still pretty adventurous. When we travel, we opt for a little more space than riding double on his Honda Goldwing. We will do a special episode on our stealth camper van for those with an interest. In the episodes to follow, Tour Tutor provides adults a multitude of resources necessary for an expeditionary-based, multi-ability curriculum for kindergarten through middle grades school children who have access to extensive travel within the United States.